Hey, good day, everybody. Greg Buckley, of course, from Buckley's Auto Care down here in Millsboro and in Wilmington. Today, down in the Millsboro shop, we had this unique situation come in where we had a driver come in with a 2013 Hyundai Sonata with a clunking sound going back and forth. She is experiencing a loud clunk, boom, boom, boom. And what we want to show you is the reason why. And it's just a tiny little thing. But let's take a look at the steering column that's out. Okay, and this is your electric motor. This is your steering wheel, of course, with controls. Here's our issue. Okay, you can see all of the rubber that's deteriorating within the steering column, and actually this steering flex coupler, that's what it's called, a flex coupler, how destroyed it is from sitting in here. And of course it sits in here, they match up, and you get to turn the wheel. Of course, when this goes bad, you're going to get that sloppiness, and that's what you're feeling. So of course, the fix is this small little coupler, which sits right inside. The motor gets sealed back up. You put the steering column back in the car, and away you go. That's after a good quality alignment and setting the steering angles perfectly correct, and you can move ahead with that. So I want to bring that to your attention, a little bit of a Hyundai situation from, I think, 2011 to 2014, but it's not heavy parts, just a little bit extra labor to get all that out and get in. So once again, just some, a little bit of a different repair that you might not see every day here at Buckley's Auto Care. Greg Buckley, Buckley's Auto Care, of course, Wilmington and Millsboro. Thanks again. As always, drive safe, drive smart, drive healthy. Thank you.